Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's plant is the pinstripe Calathea plant. This is commonly used as a house plant. Every once in a while I'll lose it in the garden because that stuff just grows and hide it. So I think it properly will be placed in a shady place, if not more than sun, because I think sun would do a job like you can see on the leaves. I believe that's a direct result of my poor placement of the plant. But basically it's I remember it up north as being commonly used as a house plant. It's one of the more popular ones, the pinstriped Calathea. A very pretty plant when you get it growing good. Right now I can't say this is growing good, but as you can see from the closeness of this one over here, everything appears to be doing very good because you can see the coloration of the leaves is probably what it normally should be for the pinstripe Calathea. But Marty is learning, as you do with all my plants here. I'm learning things about the plants. So thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. If you have any questions, any ideas that you can pass on to me, I'm all ears, and I'll pass them on the thing, and I'll give you credit for the information. I know a lot about plants, but there's a lot I really don't know. So I'm all ears. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.